Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing custom tones and opening settings so you can work efficiently. First, make sure you're custom. M4R files are in Files or imported via Finder. iCloud is fine. Once done, open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics. That's where System alerts live. Tap Text Tone, New Mail, and Ringtone to preview defaults. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus is off so sounds play while testing. You're starting with System defaults before moving into app-specific changes. Now change the core sounds. In Sounds and Haptics, choose Ringtone, Text Tone, and other system categories and select built-in or imported tones. Once done, exit back to Settings and go to Notifications. There you tap each app, then Sounds, and choose the alert you want. For apps that don't show a sounds entry, make sure their in-app notification settings allow sound. Many messaging apps require you to change tones inside the app. Make sure volume and silent switch. Don't block playback when testing. Finish by testing everything. Send texts, trigger calendar alerts, and get a sample email so you hear each new tone. Once done, use shortcuts or the app's contact settings to assign tones to specific people or threads if desired. If a sound doesn't play, make sure focus modes are off, the silent switch and volume are correct, then reboot the iPhone. If problems persist, reset settings, right arrow general, right arrow transfer, or reset iPhone, right arrow reset network and privacy, or reset all settings as a last resort. That preserves data, but restores sound defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.